I'm driving through the Blue Mountains to check out a few of the four-wheel drive accessible lookouts and campgrounds. Number one on my list is the Woodford Station to Murphy's Glen four-wheel drive trail. It's only a short drive and four-wheel drive is recommended, especially if it's wet. The trail ends at Murphy's Glen Campground. This was going to be my first trip, the Murphy's Glen Campground, but it's closed. I think they're doing work on the track, which is a shame. The track might have been a bit more fun if I'd got here maybe yesterday. But anyway, that's the end of that. So we won't be doing the Murphy's Glen Campground. That was number one. This is a shame because the track looks really good. So I'll have to do that another day, but tell you what, it looks great from here. But anyway, on to number two. Number two on my list is the four-wheel drive track out to McMahons Lookout. So McMahons Lookout 19 kilometers, Anderson's Fire Trail 7 kilometers, that's a bike track. And it's all in the Blue Mountains National Park. From the highway, Tablelands Road winds through the forest out to McMahons Lookout. Another fire trail, they've all got lock gates, so we're just following the signs to McMahons Lookout. I don't know how far we are yet. Can't be that far away. It's a very impressive sandstone overhang. It's been vandalised in the past, which is really unfortunate, isn't it? Incredibly unusual rock formation though. All shaped by erosion. Quite amazing actually. Okay, we'll keep going to the lookout. That's pretty spectacular, isn't it? I finished at McMahons Lookout. The drive in is quite long and bumpy, but what can you do? Because it comes out to a point, you've then got to turn around and do it again on the way back to the Great Western Highway, but that's just the way it is. So I'll head back now because I'm going to number 3 on my list, which is Mount Hay. So King's Tableland Road is just a bumpy road really, but there's like a mini power lines track which follows Tableland Road. So there's a few ruts and bog holes along there. But that drive out to McMahons Point's not really forward driving, just a bumpy road, a few washouts. Okay, on to the next one. On Mount Hay Road, and this is the view. Quite incredible. This isn't the end view, this is only the halfway view. Finished on Mount Hay Road, and I'm now making my way back towards the Great Western Highway, probably about 13, 14, 15k, something like that. So that ended up being probably you could do those 2 as half-day trips, or even day trips if you do the walking as well. So all good fun. Now just got to get my way back to the Western Highway. Road's a bit bumpy too, but not really forward drive, although if it was wet there's some steep sections. So but anyway, nice trip, nice views.